video is supported by Spider Farmer. Yo, what's good, everybody? Bassdropkeys, your friendly neighborhood Negro, and in today's video, we're going to start a new grow series here on the channel. This is going to be season 3 of the Spider Grow. I want to thank Spider Farmer for sponsoring another grow series, and I do want to let you know that their Black Friday sale is going down right now. From November the 24th through the 27th, you can save up to 25% off on all their great items, and you can use the code Bassdropkeys to get an additional 8% off. So right now is the best time for you to get any spider equipment that you've been looking at. Use the code Bassdropkeys to get an additional 8% off at spiderfarmer.com. The light that you see me unboxing is the Spider Farmer G8600 full spectrum LED grow light. It's one of the lights in their brand new G series. As you can see here, there's 4 lights in the G series. The G3000, which is a 300 watt light, the G4500, which is a 450 watt light. This is the G8600, it's an 860 watt light, and the G1000 watt, which, unlike a lot of lights, when you hear 1000 in the title, it's not a 1000 watt light, but with the G1000, it's actually pulling 1000 watts out of the wall. That was a little bit too much power for me in my house, so I chose to get the G8600, which is an 860 watt light at full power. One of the great things about the G series is they redesigned them to make them very easy to put together. With the other commercial lights, it's a little cumbersome putting them together with the screws and everything that you gotta do. But the way that they designed the new G series, the light bars just click in to the heavy duty plastic grips that's on the lights. So it's super easy to put together, and you can do it in 5 minutes or so, 10 minutes at the most. Another great design that they've done with the new G series is the light bars actually extend all the way to the edges of the light. That means that our light distribution is going to be greater, which is going to give us a bigger yield. The efficacy of this light is 2.8 U-moles, which you guys know is great. This light is full spectrum and dimmable. You can also daisy chain up to 60 of the lights together. The G8600 has 2,968 bridge lux diodes. The G series lights has the highest efficiency that Spider Farmer has ever come out with the efficiency being up to 95%. It also has an outstanding cooling system by having multiple heat sinks inside the aluminum that they're using. The tent that you see here is the Spider Farmer 5x5 tent. You don't see any ventilation inside the tent because the 6-inch inline fan and carbon filter combo is actually behind the tent. I have it outside the tent to save space. Well guys, that's going to conclude episode 1 of season 3 of the Spider Grow. You guys know in episode 1, I always covered the equipment that we're going to be using. I'll be updating this grow in 2 or 3 weeks. The grow is already underway and I'm filming everything, so I'll cover what we're growing and everything that goes with that in episode 2. Thank you guys for spending some time with me. Thank you to Spider Farmer one more time for sponsoring this grow. I really appreciate all of you. And until I see you guys the next time, peace and good eats. I'm out, guys. Much love.